Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I've got good news for you guys today, giving full access to my rebrander tool, and you can get on the link below, but just don't skip this video because there's some quick and simple explanations on what to expect as you go through. So it's still early days and we're putting things in there, and I might change this video out and various other things, but basically this is a complete rebrander tool, and if you haven't seen my recent videos, go and watch those so you understand what this is about. But on the link below, you'll get to this page. Make sure that you're joined up in Sparky AI, Prosperity Marketing System, and Leads Leap, because they're essential, and you'll have a chance to do that on the next page. This is also a rebrander page, which I'll explain a little bit more as we go through. But you'll see this video, you'll understand how it all works, and you'll be able to get help and understanding. So when you go on this page, make sure, as I say, make sure you're set up. And then access the free funnel brander. It'll open up into a new window. You've got the same video here for now, but I'll change the video on this page probably in due course. But it gives you all the help you need. Then obviously you basically fill in the blanks. It's really as simple as that. You just fill it in, and I've already got so we'll just fill it in, and I'll just quickly show you. So obviously you just put your name in there. You can put your full name if you want. Then obviously you're going to just want to upload your profile picture. I'm going to just put in what am I going to put? So you can put anything in there. It's just a contact link for leads to contact you. And if you get stuck, you can just mouse over. It could be a Telegram link. It could be a WhatsApp, or if you've got a contact page or whatever. Then obviously you need to put your Sparky AI username in there, and you would have joined on the previous step. Or if you're already in these programs, you can still use it. Now I'm really giving this tool out there really for my team, and I want my team to get access to this. That's my motivation. So hopefully you're partnered up with me in at least one of these programs. That's the whole point. That's why you guys want to get started in this, because you're trying to build your teams. I'm trying to build my team. So if I'm just putting out the value, then it's all good, but partner up with me, guys. So add your information in there. And obviously, you would log in, just log in. And what you'll see is on the dashboard. Once you've set everything up, you'll just get your username. This is the same username as you used to log in with. So you grab that and then you just paste that in there. So it's not the full URL. Same with the Leads Leap. You go into your back office of Leads Leap. You go to affiliate links, and then you just grab your final username at the end of the URL. This is the same one you used to log in with. So you grab that, and where are we? And then you just paste that in there. That's Prosperity Marketing System. I need to put that in correctly because this is a number, not an ID. This is different. So you log into Prosperity Marketing System, and on the main dashboard, you'll see your number at the end of the URL. So that's all you're copying. It's the same as everything is the same. That's what you're seeing there. So that's the number that you need. And then you just come back here and you put your Prosperity Marketing System in there. Leads Leap ID. So when you're in Leads Leap, now this is important, guys. Well, basically this is how the funnel is going to link up to your mailing list. Basically all you need is, as long as you've got your username in there, and that's fine. Just a list ID is also what you need. So you go into Leads Leap, you log in, and even free members can do this. Just go to list, set yourself up with a list, add a new list, and then you'll see the list ID at the top there. Actually, I'm going to just do this one. And then you come back here, you just put your list number, and then that's that. And then you need to select a category. So this is what category we're going to be using for your landing page. And you can preview it with the mock-up graphic there. And then you can pick a landing page theme. Okay, a lead capture page layout, whichever one you want. Just click the thumbnail and then generate. That's it. Your entire funnel is created, your PDF download, everything is created, and then you get access to things like training and so on. So you can preview your lead capture page, and there it is. And you can preview your download page, and there that is as well. That's your download page. And if you want, you can use your landing page. And now what the purpose of the landing page is really, I decided to add this in later because when you send people, if you want to send your team straight into, then you can just share this link. So you can copy it to clipboard, copies to clipboard, and then you can share that direct link. That's just the brander page. It goes to the brander page, but it's kind of like a first step before the brander page. It's kind of a landing page. It gives people an opportunity to watch the video. They can access the branding tool, but they can also make sure that they join you, and there's a little bit of branding of you. But when you're sharing out for your leads, you might want to just share out the lead capture page. Or if you want to bypass the lead capture page, but you want to get them on the download page so they can get access to your PDF, you could just share this one out. So you've got 3 options there. And then you can download your PDF. So when you download your PDF, the PDF will download, and then you can preview it. And based on what we selected, the topic and everything, and it's all branded to you. It's got your profile picture, a way for them to contact you, and it's all branded to you. It's got your links in there, Sparky, Prosperity Marketing System, Leads Leap, and everything, and a way to contact you. And then they can go back to your branding page, and still got your links here, and then they can access the brander tool. So they get full kind of tutorials and access. So it's a complete funnel system, and rinse and repeat. All you're really doing, my advice is you can put this into a short URL. We've also got training. But you can just put it into a short URL such as Leads Leap tracking link, or you can use Bitly. You can click to Bitly and make the link short, or use Leads Leap. But you can also view the tutorial. We've got the tutorial here. So the tutorial will guide you every step of the way if you want to set up putting in the list, setting up your list in the list manager of Leads Leap, setting up a signature. We've got a built-in signature tool that brands to you. We've got setting up your mailing list. If you're a pro member of Leads Leap, you want to set up the share code. We've got a share code for the mailing list. So you've got email follow-up series that you can edit for each topic, or whichever topic you want. And then you can copy your download links, preview your download links so that you can put it into your mailing list, and just follow the instructions. And you can also set up a tracking link for Leads Leap, which is a shortened URL. We've got the complete guide for you. And that's everything you need. Plus, we've also got the graphics library here, loads of graphics to choose from. They're just mock-ups, badges. I mean, if you're going to piece together an email, or if you're going to be piecing together your own pages in Leads Leap, for example, you might use these. So there's a lot here. Plus, you get other places like headers. You can use the different headers, header graphics. You've got backgrounds. You can access the backgrounds, mock-ups. Just click the image, and it copies it to clipboard. It copies the entire URL to clipboard. If you want to post it on social media, or add it to a page, add it to a banner on advertising, make it up yourself. You can use Canva, add it in there. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But that's what you get access to. So it's a complete system in a box, and it's branded to you. So give me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you like it, give me some love. Yeah, comment, like on my channel. Give me a subscribe. But I'm doing this because we're all building our businesses. So take action. Let's get you started in our chosen businesses. So this is for Prosperity Marketing System, Sparky AI, and Leads Leap. You can't put your businesses of choice in here, but because of those 3 businesses, once you go in there, you're promoting all your businesses in one place. So if you go, obviously with Sparky AI, we've got additional steps. So you join Live Good, you join Savings Highway Global, and you join Reach, and you can put in 2 additional businesses as well into Sparky. Where are we? Yeah. So, and then Prosperity Marketing System, you can put in all kinds of businesses in there. You can customize it. It's a downline builder. So it's a powerful tool right there. And obviously Leads Leap is where you manage your mailing list. You can set up additional pages using the page builder, and I've got lots of share codes for that. And we manage your mailing list, and also there's a built-in ad network. So you're building your following. So this whole thing is going to be responsible for helping you grow your businesses. And I like to lead with the value. That's why I'm doing these kind of funnels, because people are primary business to people who are just focused on their business. So you just got to get above the noise, ease them in, let them get interested in a system like this, and then they're going to want to potentially join and partner up with you. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the inside, and welcome aboard. Cheers.